What's up, beautiful people of planet Earth? It's me again. So today we have a new episode. Finally, after break that I had. I have just been back literally today from South Korea. We went to Seoul for my son's school holidays. We had so much fun. We had our first snow experience, but that's gonna be for another video. So today you are gonna help me unbox something that I bought in Incheon airport. I think you might know what it is. So if you're in Korea, what's a popular brand in terms of sunglasses? What comes to mind? I think you all know already. It's famous in the Philippines. I think Ellen Adarna popularized it. So it's the famous Gentle Monster. Yay! I did not plan to get another pair because I had the original. I don't even know what that model was, but we are gonna be unboxing the. I don't even know the name. I'm bad at this. I'm not ready. Heizer. That's Heizer. That's the model name is Heizer. It's spelled Heizer. Gentle Monster Heizer. Okay, so I got to the airport. I saw Gentle Monster. I actually did see it at the malls, but I was like, no, I'm not gonna buy. I don't need another pair because I haven't even really used the one that I originally got. Because I try to swap between my Burberry and the Gentle Monster. So once I got to the airport, I was like, I might as well just go and try on, new frames just to have a look. And it ended up that I really did like what I saw on the table, but that specific color was not available. It was out of stock. Like I thought, this is probably a sign that I'm not supposed to buy. But then, so I got out of the store, I went back again, and then I tried on all the different colors of that specific model. So I think they had light blue, they had light gray, they had green, and the black. So I really wanted the navy color, which was, so there's Heizer 01, I think that's the black, G1, I think that's the gray, KC6, that's the one I really wanted originally, which was sold out at the airport, and then the NC2. Okay, so the reason why I got it, I was already, I left the store, I was making my way to the gate, and I kept thinking to myself, should I really get the black? Because I know getting it from the airport would be way cheaper than getting it online, because I know the color was available online, and I was trying to do the math, so I did check online. It would cost me 370 Australian dollars to get it, but if I were to get it in store at the airport, it would just cost me $260. It dawned on me, and then instantly I said, if I'm going to save $100, I'm going to do it right now. I'm just going to get the black, because I was initially torn between the black and that gray, the KC6 color, but I felt like it was a really hard decision to make. I didn't have the color that I liked on in store, but then I thought, well, black is always elegant, and even if it's the same color as the one that I got the first time, which is a larger frame, black is always classy. It's a different frame, but it's cheaper if I got it now, but it's really just not the color that I wanted. It's either now or never, because I didn't really know when I would be back again in Korea, so might as well. I really did talk myself through in validating, if I had to get it or not. So I did a lot of convincing to myself. My husband was saying, so you're just gonna get it because even if it's not your favorite color, even if it's not the color that you like, just because it comes up cheaper. And of course I told him, yes, it's cheaper. I love a bargain, and I did really. I will show you the photos of me wearing the military green versus the black. There's not much of a difference, and but like it looked more expensive and classy in black. So okay, let's do this. This is the box that it came with. It's yeah, if you remove the logo, just imagine a plain white box, a little bit thicker than the average paper bags that you'd get, but the strap, the handle, it feels like shoelaces, but you know, thicker than shoelaces, but it's not meant to be a shoelace. It doesn't feel like a shoelace. It looks like a shoelace, a thicker one. Yeah, but it feels like it's meant to be held, not a shoelace. So this is the box that it came with. It's slimmer. So if this is the palm of my hand, let me just put this away. It's like half. Yep, that's Gentle Monster. You got FSC packaging from responsible sources. I like that the boxes of stuff these days are getting slimmer and slimmer, because really they all just go down into the bin. Nobody really keeps it. Like, I try to keep it, but it occupies a lot of space, and I try to not have a lot of garbage in my life. It's so difficult. I feel like garbage just adds to my burden, or it just brings me down. Okay, anyways, this is the case. It looks like, if you look at it, and I initially saw this in store, and like the person was wrapping it for someone else, I thought, oh, that's fancy. It looks like leather. I hope it is leather, but it's not. It's, you know how like the full leather feels like. It's really light, and it comes with the warranty card. Let's do the warranty card first. Let's do the Sunny's last. And they'll give you this card. Yeah, so I got it from Incheon International Airport. I asked the guy if I did need replacement for a certain part, would they cover it, or would the warranty cover it? And he says, well, partly, but you'd need to pay for like major part that needs to be replaced. But if it's just scratches, or if you need readjustment, realignment, that's free. So I really don't know the benefit of the warranty card. Maybe because like if you just got it now, and then suddenly when you open the box it's broken, you're covered for it. Other than that, if you sat on it, it's not covered. Accidental warranties are never really covered. So this is, let me just get you the receipt, so you'll believe me when I say it on display it had $195 US dollars on the shelf. I don't know if you can see that. Yes, I had to convert it to Korean won, and because I was using an Australian credit card, yeah, it came down to, let me just give you the exact amount. Okay, 276 and 46 cents in Australian dollars. So it's 195 USD on display, and they had to charge my card 240,000 won, and it converted as 276.46 Australian dollars. And if you check it online, it's gonna say 376 Australian dollars. So that was like massive push for me to get it. Oh, sorry, yeah, 369. I'm not sure if you can see that. I'm not sure. I guess this is silly. I'll just link it on the. I'll just put a thumbnail and I'll let you guys see how much it would cost. I'm not sure in the Philippines how much this costs, but definitely if you guys, I know that plane tickets are cheaper from the Philippines to Korea. I know that you can just as easily go to Korea than from people in Australia, so just get it. There's also Gentle Monster store at Lotte World, and you can get tax refund when you get it from there. But when I got there, I wasn't really keen on getting one because I thought I really don't want to spend. I was just in Korea to do like experience what the place looks like and how it feels like, the culture, the food, the weather. I wasn't really expecting this, but then last minute I was so sold on like saving $100 roughly. Yeah. Plus, the most important part, we'll unbox this. So that is the case. Again, it looks really fancy. Like if someone else was holding it, I would say, oh, I really like that case. But I'm holding it now, it's like, it's not really leather, it's faux leather. This is how it looks like. The good thing about this is when you go to the airport and you tell them what you want, it's pretty quick and easy. It's fast because they know that you guys will be boarding, and then you're pressed with time. So I literally got in and out with this thing in less than 10 minutes. They took my order, swiped my card, checked my boarding pass, and they adjusted the frame for me. It's fun. It's crazy that the items are at the counter. They didn't need to like go and find it in the back. You know, usually they say, okay, let me just get the stuff for you out back. No, it was at the counter. So there's one guy, you need to queue. The first line the guy would process the payment, check your boarding pass, and check your passport, get your credit card, swap it there, and then you move on to the next line, which is the guy literally gives you the product, or takes out the product from underneath his desk, and then literally puts this thing on you for you to try, and he will make the adjustments. And then he'll talk to you where you're from and where you can get it repaired, if there's service center near you. And after that, he'll give you the stuff inside. You'd wipe it first and then wrap it in these plastics and into this box. No, the case, sorry. Into this box. And into the paper bag with the receipt, which is already inside. And then out you go in less than 10 minutes. So I really like this. It's like, it basically looks like that sunglasses that Ellen Adarna popularized, but it's smaller in frame. The other one was wider. I really like this. I will probably add a clip of me wearing this outside because it's nighttime. What time is it? It's 9:15, and this light is just coming from the monitor. It's no light from the sun. It's different when it's dark. All you can see is my forehead. But yes, we love it. Alright, that's it. See you guys. Have a great and beautiful rest of your day. Remember, always pay attention to how you feel. Stay positive and good vibes only. Namaste. I forgot to mention, so silly of me, I was looking for the wipe, the sunglass wipe, and I couldn't find it inside the case. It's actually inside the warranty box, this tiny box here. Just opened it, and then just underneath the card and maybe some care instructions was the little plastic pouch that had this inside. Sorry, I didn't even bother. Anyways, they have it inside. You should have one inside, and you know it's legit. I think this is the identifier if you've got the legit piece. All right, namaste.